In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your SiteGround email directly from your account. This is a straightforward process and perfect for anyone who wants seamless access to their email without any fuss. Let's dive right in. First, what you need to do is open your web browser and go to the SiteGround homepage. It's not only the gateway to fantastic web hosting services, but also where you begin accessing your email. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option, usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Simply give that a click. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you input the email and password associated with your SiteGround account. If you happen to have a password manager, this step can be even quicker. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now from the dashboard, find and select My SiteGround account. This is effectively your control hub. Everything you need from managing your websites to accessing your emails is available here. What you see next is a list of your services and resources. Look for Site Tools on this page. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. Site Tools is the section of your SiteGround account where most of the website and email functionalities reside. After that, you're aiming to find and click on the email option within the Site Tools menu. This is typically tied to managing existing email addresses or creating new ones if needed. With the email section open, you'll want to locate accounts. Click on it and you'll be able to see your email accounts listed. It's a neat and organized way to view all the emails associated with your account. Now for the next step, identify the account you wish to access. Next to it, there should be a three-dot icon, also known as the Action menu. Click this icon. It will open up a small drop-down menu offering various options. Finally, you'll see an option that reads Log into Webmail. Hit that and you'll be redirected to the Webmail login interface where your email awaits. After you're inside, simply click on Mail to start reading, organizing and composing emails. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to access your SiteGround email from your account. By following these steps, you can manage your emails efficiently, all while staying within the user-friendly SiteGround environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in accessing your emails effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides.